हेलो व्यूअर्स का साइरा की भी पूरा के एक्टिविटी सब दिखाई दी वो वन पुस्ती वांगशु विलेज ये आज उन्हें ऑर्डर माने से जी केस आया से 사가나 세대 보라 GP 서비스 받아제 pastor youth president 보라 자때제 semua parna happy aoleang 보라 itu just देखना जे मिस्त्री के पाप मैं सुंदर भी नहीं थे मैं पुछला चार्ज बना से थे लंबू वाला Hey mystery. Tay pana si di.
I welcome each one of you to these grand celebrations and warm greetings to everyone from me and my family. The most respected today's aoleang chief guest Shri Bopai Konyak, VDB Secretary Shennyu Village, and his team colleagues, and respected WSU executive led by President Pastor Deacon Board, Associate Pastor Women and Associate Pastor Youth, and village chairman and secretary from 4 villages, and all the leaders from different occupations and people gathered here. Sequence of the program. Wangshu students Hunan aoleang Mo Cultural Camp Competition. Ni 4th April 2026. Nyuiching local ground time as of now. Yinchang Ba Shri Bopai Konyak, VDB Secretary Shennyu Village. Taidim Voilak, myself. Jolak Taidim. Tawang Yoplak, Associate Pastor Women WBC. Anbon Ngao, President. aoleang Mo Chang Ilak, Shri Chungke HGB Tangkau Village. Hemlock Lak Flock Fashion, Tisalin Yakpa Akong. Salt Speech, Shri S. Pichung HGB Wangshu Village. Special presentation under Bracket A, Baptist School Wangshu, under Bracket B, GMS Shennyu A, under Bracket C, Holy Family School Tangkau. Yinchang Pa Mapu Ngau. Suku Lan Puhem Waipu Hipak, IC Cultural Secretary. Neton Lan Puhem Loklak, Yatap Kiel, IC Shri T Kaito and Shri Antin X Richie. Minyung Ngau, Shri An Kusam, Advisory Board Convenal WSU. Treasury Yoplak, Deacon Board Wangshu Baptist Church. To start our program, I call upon Associate Pastor Viman to invoke up, please.